channel Reese and Netflix. Let's start the video now. Actress Lee Jeong-hyun, who garnered global repute through her position as a housekeeper with inside the award-triumphing film Parasite, will big name in Netflix's upcoming collection Juvenile Judgment direct translation. The actress's agency Will Entertainment introduced Tuesday that Lee has agreed to play the position of a chosen named Na Gyun-hyo with inside the drama collection. Directed through Hong Jang-chan, who's chargeable for hit TV collections such as Master, Son and Live Up to Your Name, the collection will comply with the lives of characters at a district juvenile courtroom docket in addition to instances regarding younger offenders. The courtroom docket receives a clean angle whilst an elite choose Sim Yoon-seok, Kim Hae-soo, who has a sturdy aversion towards juvenile criminals, is appointed there. Lee will play as the judges on the courtroom docket, who continuously reveals herself clashing with Yoon-suk because of their one-of-a-kind methods to the instances. Also subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. This collection could be the second time the two actresses will go big name in a project because co-main the thriller film The Day I Died Unclosed Case final year. Actress Lee Seung-min and Kim Moo-yeol may also be a big name with inside the collection as judges. Lee Jeong-hyun debuted with a play in 1991, however it was not currently got here due to the public's interest with a minor position with inside the mega hit collection Mr. Sunshine. Her breakout position got here in a director Bong Joon-ho's 2019 film Parasite. Since then, she has starred in diverse TV collections and films inclusive of KBS dramas When the Camellia Blooms and Once Again, which gained her the network's Year Stop Awards. Juvenile Judgment is a prison drama, so one can depict diverse sensible conditions confronted through underage grave offenders. It persuades to carry how the adults around them, in addition to the society they belong to, can substantially affect their actions. In an international that protects and interference to the punishes younger criminals, a cynical choice makes use of her electricity to supply the fairest of judgments possible. As soon as a sufferer of teenage crime herself, she units out to task severe loopholes in a present legal guideline regarding teen crimes. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.reasonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Reason Netflix.